Now, heavy and unseasonal rainfall is sweeping parts of North India, while the high reaches of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh experience snowfall, as mercury plunged significantly in several places. Now, the weatherman has predicted more rain in the next 24 hours, caused by a series of weather systems which have coupled up to soak different parts of the country. And while there was rain in the plains, a snowfall in the upper reaches of Kashmir continued for the second day today, as downpour brought down the day temperature by more than 4 degrees, and the Jammu and Srinagar highway is closed due to heavy snowfall and landslides. And heavy rain in Punjab as well, heavy rain experienced in the capital in Chandigarh and parts of rural Punjab. In fact, in Sangrur, Punjab, crops have been damaged due to the heavy rainfall. Well, let's go across to Sonal now, who joins us from the national capital. Sonal, unseasonal rainfall and the usual problems accompanying heavy rainfall in the capital?
Well, Gargi, a lot of us were woken up in the middle of the night with how strong the thunder showers really were. But it seems like, though it's quite relief from what it looked like was going to be a bitter summer. But now it looks like the weather is back, but not without a lot of hassles for people like these who are now standing at bus stops waiting for their buses to come and perhaps get into work at time. आप बता रहे थे अभी कि बड़ी देर से बस ढूंढ रहे हैं लेकिन आ नहीं रही है, तो बारिश की वजह से कहीं आराम भी मिल रहा है लेकिन प्रॉब्लम भी हो रही है।
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है जी बारिश की वजह से। बारिश की वजह से बस नहीं आ रही, इतनी देर से खड़े हैं।
तो यहाँ पर कितनी देर से वेट कर रही हैं आप?
अभी हो गया आधा घंटा।
आधा घंटा से लेट नहीं हो गए जाने के लिए?
जाने के लिए लेट हो गए जी।
एंड अब लेकिन क्या ये सही है? ये बारिश अभी इतने हो रहा था, गर्मी और बढ़ रही थी।
बारिश की वजह से तो कितनी परेशानी हो रही, गाड़ी नहीं आ रही अभी।
Well, hassle quite there for all those who are not at home, probably, Gargi. For those who are at home can nicely sit back and relax and, perhaps enjoy the weather. But those who, people like all of us perhaps also have to go out on the fields for work, it's quite a hassle. A lot of traffic jams also on this way. Let's just leave you with these shots here of bits of water logging which is being seen on the sides. But this is again South Delhi, not much here, but massive traffic jams also seen from several places in the national capital. In fact, the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has also tweeted urging the Delhi police to clear out and help in clearing out traffic jams. He's saying volunteers are out on the fields and perhaps Delhi police should also pull up its act and get out to clear those jams. Gargi.